All right, the first problem. We have 2y, negative 2y minus 7 is equal to 23. The first thing that I see is that we have 7 being subtracted from y. I've identified my variable to be y, and the 7 is being subtracted. So I need to add 7 to both sides because what I'm trying to do is to get my variable by itself. I am doing PEMDAS in the opposite direction. I'm looking for what's being added and subtracted, and I'm going to do the opposite to get it away from my y. So I'm going to add 7 to both sides. Now I'm left with negative 2y. I'm going to bring this down. Is equal to 23 plus 7. 23 plus 7 is 30. Please just listen. The next thing I need to do is I see that negative 2 is being multiplied by y, so I need to divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2 on both sides. Please be quiet. We have y is equal to negative 15. Now I'm going to, listen, I'm going to plug in negative 15 back into my original equation to see if I end up getting the both sides of my equal sign equal to each other. So negative 2 times negative 15 minus 7 is equal to 23. Negative 2 times negative 15 gives me a positive 30. Minus 7 is equal to 23. 30 minus 7 is 23, so 23 is equal to 23. Both sides of my equation are equal. Going on to the next one. I have negative 5r minus 18 is equal to 12. Once again, I'm going to identify my variable. It is r. What is being added or subtracted from r? I see that that's 18. I'm going to add 18 to both sides. Bring down my negative 5r. 12 plus 18 is 30. And now I need to figure out, okay, 5 is being multiplied by r, so I need to divide by negative 5. Negative 5 divided on both sides. I'm left with r is equal to negative 6. Because a positive divided by a negative is a negative. Now I can check my answer. Please hush. And I have negative 5 times negative 6 minus 18 is equal to 12. Negative 5 times negative 6 is positive 30. 30 minus 18 is equal to 12. Well, 30 minus 18 is 12. 12 is equal to 12. Our answer checks out to be true. The goal is to figure out that both sides of my equal sign will end up being the same exact thing. That's why when we do one thing to one side, we do it to the other side as well. Looking at the next problem, we have 8 plus 6x is equal to negative 4. A lot of y'all don't like looking at it like that. You could have changed it to 6x plus 8 is equal to negative 4. You could have done it either way. Your answer is still going to be the same. I'm going to do it the way that it looks funny because it's really not that much scarier. We have 8 plus 6x is equal to negative 4. I want to go ahead and see my variable is x. Now I need to identify what is being added to x or subtracted from x. We have an 8 being added to this 6x. The opposite of adding 8 is subtracting 8. So now I have 6x is equal to negative 4 minus 8 is going to give me a negative 12. Same sign, add and keep. Now I need to divide by 6 on both sides. And x is equal to negative 2. Some of y'all are still not wanting to use these integer rules. You want to just put these numbers in, figure out an easy answer, and you're forgetting your rules. Your rules, if they're not understood, you're going to get the wrong answer. I'm going to plug in negative 2. 8 plus 6 times negative 2 is equal to negative 4. 8 plus negative 12 is equal to negative 4. Different signs here, subtract. We get 12 minus 8 is 4. We know it's negative. Negative 4 is equal to negative 4. Our answer checks out to be true. The last problem, 3y minus 9 is equal to 9. We see that our variable is y. What is being added or subtracted to y? I see my 9, negative 9. I'm going to add 9 to both sides. 3y is equal to 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. Now I need to divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. I'm left with y is equal to 0 divided by 3. Did I just do that wrong? I just did that wrong. This is plus 9, so I get 18. My bad. 18 divided by 3 will be 6. So now I can plug in my numbers. 3 times 6 minus 9 is equal to 9. 3 times 6 is 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 is equal to 9. Our equation checks out to be true. The smallest mistake can mess up your entire problem. If I had not caught that mistake when I plugged it in, I would have then noticed my answer is not correct. So I must have done something wrong. Let me go back and solve again. Some of y'all are not knowing what to do